Hey everyone, James here, and with the holiday season fast approaching, you're probably going to want to do something special for your fans. If you have no ideas, don't worry, I'm here to help. The holiday season is upon us, and while that may not always seem like the case around this time of year, depending on where you live, it's evident in any store you walk into. From Target to Walmart to anything in between, there's already plenty of Christmas stuff on display. And whether or not you celebrate Christmas or your fans celebrate Christmas, the point remains the same. The holidays are coming. And I know there are a lot of people out there who don't care for this time of year. People hate the commercialization of Christmas. They don't have a lot of family to get together with, and that makes them feel down. But I do think that there is a lot of things that we can all agree on about the motivations behind these holidays. Mainly, I think we can all agree that being thankful for the things that you have, giving back to the people who support you, and letting the people that you love know that you love them are important things that we should all do in our lives. If you're a musician, the people included in that list should be your fans. As we're getting near the end of the year, you're probably starting to think about all the things you've accomplished over the past several months. Maybe you went on tour, maybe you released an album, maybe you just found a really big community online. Whatever the case, all of that was made possible by fans caring about your music. And right now, you have a unique opportunity to give back to them in a way that is both seasonal and also personal. And I'm going to tell you how to do that. First and foremost, you can always give away your music. Now, I know that that is kind of counterintuitive in the world today. With Spotify and YouTube and all the other streaming services paying money for every single stream, some artists don't see the point in giving their music away for free. But after a bunch of fans have supported you all year long, the very least you can do is give them something with no cost at all. So why not give away your music? Maybe you have an old EP that hasn't really been promoted in a while. Why don't you give that away to your fans? Or maybe you have a rarity or a B-side that you haven't really uploaded to all the big streaming sites. Share it with your closest fans and give them something special that they can take with them no matter where they go. Because not everyone can afford $10 a month to stream all the music that they want in the world. But they do want to hear your music. So why not help them out and just give them something that they can carry with them everywhere? Along those same lines, you could also consider covering a holiday song. Now, you don't have to be a fan of Christmas to know that Christmas music is a huge business. Pretty much every big artist on the Billboard charts inevitably releases at least a Christmas single, if not an album. If you do a little research into mechanical licensing, you'll find that there are a ton of songs in the public domain that are considered holiday classics, which you can cover for free. In fact, if you visit our blog, there's a link in the description to this video, you'll find a gigantic list of holiday songs that you can cover absolutely for free. And if you make money off those songs, great, you can keep that money. But you should also just consider giving it away. Maybe you record an intimate acoustic performance of a holiday classic that you then upload to your YouTube channel and promote through all your social media channels. That's something that could get you a bunch of attention from the press, but also make your fans feel special. It gives them something to put in rotation between Frank Sinatra and Mariah Carey once the snow starts to fall. Another idea to spread holiday cheer is just to give things away. Now, I know that we already talked about free music, but this is something else. If you're somebody that maintains a strong mailing list, you probably have the addresses or at least email addresses of a lot of your most dedicated fans. Select 5 or 10 at random, ask them for their mailing addresses, and send them care packages. Send them Christmas cards, send them a free t-shirt, send them something left over from your tour merch. Send them anything that makes them feel special. You don't have to do it for everybody, but if you do it for a select number of your most dedicated followers, everyone else is going to see the love that you have for your dedicated fans, and they're going to want to support you even more because next year could be their year. If you don't want to record and you don't want to give anything away, you could always live stream a performance. Now, this could be acoustic, it could be full band, it could be something that is made just for people on the internet, or it could be a video from a show that you're performing somewhere in your hometown around the holidays. Whatever the case, why not consider recording a new performance for your fans to see? It's the end of a long year. You've learned a lot. You've probably written some music that you're performing now that you weren't performing at the beginning of the year. So give everyone a chance to see you in action. Record an acoustic performance or a full band performance and upload it to the internet. If you can partner with one of the big sites like AudioTree that does performances, that's really great, but you don't need a cosign in order to reach your fans. Just press play on an iPhone or whatever mobile device you have, record a performance, and share it with people. It doesn't have to be the most polished thing in the world. It just has to be authentic. And as long as you're being your true self, that's going to happen naturally. Personally, one of my favorite ways musicians give back to their fans is by telling those fans about the other artists they should check out. Now, better than any algorithm, you know what your fans like because you're already creating that music. And if you know similar artists or people who have a similar passion to you in music, you probably want them to succeed just as much as you'd like to see yourself get ahead. So why not play an active role and create a playlist for your fans with the artists that you love? Make it something special for them. Maybe it's your favorite releases from this year, your favorite releases from your genre, or maybe it's the music that inspired you to be who you are. Obviously, you want your fans to continue promoting your music as well, but if you can get them interested in the artists that you're likely to tour with or the artists you dream of touring with, you're going to be building this community around your music and the music that you love that is beneficial for everyone involved. Your fans discover songs that could change their lives, and their love of that new music is going to change the lives of the musicians that you love. Everybody wins, and it costs you basically nothing. Just express yourself, share what you're into, and let your fans know about it. And if you need even more ideas for the holidays, then you should probably take a second and click the subscription link below. This channel produces 3 to 5 videos every single week about surviving the music industry, navigating the music industry, and just understanding the music industry. It's a crazy place out there, and we're going to get through it together. So please, take a moment and click the subscribe button. And if you want holiday ideas specifically, you can go to our blog, holicsdaily.com, and we have a ton of articles related to surviving the holiday season and thriving at a time of year where everybody is competing for your fans' attention. And whether you do those things or you don't do things, at the very end of the day, we ask that you take care of yourself because you deserve it.